Welcome back, guys. We have landed. We are nestled in the Ozarks. We're getting stoked for the Thunder Ridge show tomorrow night. The four vote songs: Sweet Virginia, Dead Flowers, Faraway Eyes, Let It Bleed. What song are we voting for, guys? Come on. Come on. Yeah, Sweet Virginia. Even though I love Dead Flowers just as much. So we're hoping for Sweet Virginia. Actually, we're hoping for maybe like Factory Girl would be an amazing song. Sort of country-ish, you know, we're into country. So, whatever. Two, the logistics getting to this place, I think, are going to be absolutely horrendous. We've seen videos or stuff on YouTube that people actually missed the show because they couldn't get here because it was the infrastructure's not here to support all these people. So we're doing recon today. Lastly, we no longer have Crushed Souls, even though this is the last show of the tour. We think they're going to be touring Europe next year. So, Mick, we're going to see you in London next year.